Today I'm going to do my first what I eat in a day video. It's going to be the medical medium edition. Now the reason why I did that was because I am currently doing the medical medium protocol from the Liver Rescue book by Anthony William. And today's day 6 of the cleanse, so I thought why not just do a video to show you kind of a sneak peek of what it's all about. If you've seen my previous video on my 3-month transformation, then you know I'm at the beginning of this transformation journey. So I've decided along the way to give you little tidbits of what I'm doing and then updates, etc. If you want the link to the Medical Medium Liver Rescue, I will leave it below. So let's go into the kitchen and I'll show you what it's all about. When you wake up in the morning, all you have to do is have 16 ounces of lemon water and down the hatch, and you wait a half an hour to the next step. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I just got back from dropping off my son and it's been a half an hour. So the next step, all I'm gonna drink is celery juice, and it's outlined in the Medical Medium book. And for those of you who think it tastes gross, it actually does not taste gross. I was scared when I first started to try it, but then when you drink it, it actually tastes really good and you start to crave it in the morning. Let me just take a sip and I'll explain it to you. It tastes better than actually eating celery. I don't mind celery, but then drinking it actually tastes really good. So I'll see you in my next one where I will be making what's called a liver rescue smoothie. I just made my breakfast and it is the liver rescue smoothie. In the liver rescue smoothie, it calls for banana, it calls for dragon fruit. However, I ran out and I'm waiting for dragon fruit powder to come in and it's not here yet. So it says I can replace it with cherries. And then I also added wild blueberries to it. And then you just blend it and down the hatch. You add a little bit of water so it helps with the blender. This is so good. I love this smoothie. I really, really like it with the dragon fruit. The cherries taste good too, but the dragon fruit's my favorite in it. There is another option you could do for it. They give you 2 options, but the other one has sprouts and celery, and I feel like I've had enough celery on the other aspects, so we'll just keep it to fruit. Cheers. So it's lunchtime now, and the protocol calls for me to have a liver rescue salad. And in that salad is a bunch of lettuce, cucumber, celery, and tomato. I've been really liking these little cherry tomatoes. They're a bunch of different colors that I found at Walmart, but I had leftover of a bigger tomato, so I just chopped that all up in there. Then what I also made is a vinaigrette, but it doesn't have vinegar in it. All it is orange juice in there, raw honey, a pinch of cayenne, and some garlic. And then you just put it over top of that. I was a little hesitant at first when I first started this way back, and I thought it would taste, weird because there's no oil in it. I actually prefer it like this. I think it tastes excellent. Now, also with this liver rescue salad, because I'm doing day 4, 5, 6, and today is day 6, I'm doing asparagus and Brussels sprouts with the salad. So you can see that I'm cooking it. Let's see if I could change here. I'm just starting to steam them so that you could see. And I usually have more asparagus, but I ran out. So there's that, and I can have as much vegetables, they said, just to load up. So you're never hungry on it. And that will be my lunch. And after lunch, I get to have a snack that consists of dates and applesauce, and I kind of do it like a little pudding because I do applesauce and a chopped apple and some dates in there. And then for dinner, I'm gonna have the same thing as a liver rescue salad again with the asparagus and Brussels sprouts. And then tomorrow it'll change because it's going into the 7, 8, 9, day 7, 8, and 9. So I'm not hungry on it. And today I woke up with a headache, but actually I feel a lot better. And usually when the weather changes, I get severe headaches, and it has been minus 40 here. I'm not even joking. It's been minus 35, minus 40. So it's going to be warming up in a couple days, and I think that's why I had the headache. Other than that, I've had only a couple little breakouts on my face the last couple days around the chin area, and that's about it. I feel really good. I feel more energy than I should because I haven't had a whole lot of sleep. So just going to pour this all over my salad. And then once I have my asparagus ready and my Brussels sprouts, then that's it. So there's my salad. I know it's crazy because it's a huge bowl, but there's the salad and there's my stuff, and I will see you soon. Oh, on the Brussels sprouts, all I did is put a little bit of garlic and a touch of sea salt on there. That's it. If you have any questions about this protocol, please feel free to put it in the comments below. If you want to see other days of this protocol, also put it in the comments below. There's a lot more coming. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.